Hello everyone. Welcome to the current news updated YouTube channel. Here you will get to see on the daily basis topic wide current news under the latest news updated program. Now let's see. Today the topic of discussion is India is the first time included under the top 20 rank in a Sustainable Development Goal Report 2025. Now let's discuss about India's status. For the first time, India has been included in the top 100 countries in the SDG Index 2025. India's ranking is 99th and their score is 67th. It is a very this is a very important for all UPSC and other state PSS exams. Among India maritime neighboring countries, Maldives 53rd rank, Sri Lanka 93rd rank. Among India's other neighboring countries, Bhutan 74th rank with 20.5 score, Nepal 85th rank with 68.6 score, Bangladesh 114th rank in with 63.9 score. Pakistan 140th rank with 57th score. Let's discuss about global status. Finland, Sweden, and Denmark hold the first, second, and the third position respectively. Or out of the top 20, 19 countries are from Europe. The USA ranks 44th with 75.2 score, while China is 49th with 24.4 score. The USA ranked 193rd last for the second consecutive years. On their scale commitment to UN multilateralism, Brazil ranks the highest among G20 countries, 25th rank, while Chile leads among OECD countries, 7th rank. Here is the list of 17 Sustainable Development Goal SDGs adopted by the United Nations in 2015 as a part of the 2030 Agenda for a Sustainable Development. SDG first, no poverty. That means end poverty in all its form everywhere. Second, SDG goals, zero hunger. That means end hunger, achieve food security and improve nutrition and promote sustainable agriculture. Third SDG goals, good health. That means well-being, ensure healthy lives and promote well-being for all at all age. SDG goal 4, quality education, ensure inclusive and equitable quality education and promote lifelong learning opportunity for all. SDG goal number 5, gender equality, achieve gender equality and empower all women and girls. SDG 6, clean water and sanitation, ensure ability and sustainable management of water and sanitation for all. SDG 7, affordable and clean energy, ensure access to affordable, reliable, and sustainable and modern energy for all. SDG goal 8, decent work and economic growth, promote sustained, inclusive, and sustainable economic growth, full and productive employment, and decent work for all. SDG 9, industry innovation infrastructure, build a resilient and infrastructure, promote inclusive and sustainable industrialization, and foster innovation. SDG 10th, reduce inequality, reduce equality within and among countries. SDG 11, sustainable cities and communities, make cities and human settlements inclusive, safe, resilient, and sustainable. SDG 12, responsible consumption and production, ensure sustainable consumption and production patterns. SDG 13, climate action, take urgent action to combat climate change and its impact. SDG 14, life below water, conserve and sustainably use the ocean, seas, and marine resource for sustainable development. SDG 15, life on land, protect, restore, and promote sustainable use of terrestrial ecosystem, manage forest and sustainably combat desertification and halt and reserve and degradation and halt biodiversity loss. SDG 16, peace, justice, and a strong institution, promote peaceful and inclusive societies for sustainable development, provide to justice for all, and build effective, accountable, and inclusive institutions at all levels. And SDG goals 17 and last goal, partnership for the goals, strengthen the means of implementation and revitalize the global partnership for sustainable development. These 17 SDG goals, this is a very important for UPSC and other exam PCS. Remember these. Now let's see about discuss about look like you're referring to SDG, a performing category like aspirants, performer, and front runner, and achieve often used in India. SDG India's rank index published by Niti Aayog to classify states and union territories based on their SDG progress. Here, what these category typically means based on composite score. Category aspirant score 0 to 49. Category performer score 50 to 64. And the front runner score 65 to 90. Achiever 100 score. These scores are out of 100 and calculated based on various indicators mapped to each SDG. Uh, Goal first. Remember this 17 SDG goal. This is very important. Let's see. First, in poverty. Second goal, in hunger. Third goal, well-being. Fourth goal, quality education. Fifth, gender equality. Sixth, water and sanitation for all. Goal 7, affordable and sustainable energy. 8, decent work for all. 9, technology to benefit all. And 10th, reduce inequality. 11th, safe citizen communities. 12th, responsible consumption by all. 13th, stops climate change. 14th, protect the ocean. 15th, take care of the earth. Goal 16 is a live in peace. 17 जो है mechanism and partnership to reach the goal. If watch more such videos on the daily basis, please subscribe to our YouTube channel Current News Updated and press the bell icon so that you can receive a notification first. The video, please, if you like the video, please like and share it. Thanks for watching.